And now match number 5 of 62 total qualifying matches this weekend here in Dalton, Georgia is underway in autonomous. For the first 20 seconds of the match, the bots are programmed to do what you see them doing as they try to score as many points as they can. The team with the highest points in autonomous, their hub will be lit up as one comes in from the outside right there at the end to make it 1 for the red and 0 for the blue. We're in a 10-second transition period as now, where human players are in control of the bots. In the transition period, the Blue Alliance had more points in autonomous, and their hub is lit up first for 25 seconds. It'll transition over after that 25 seconds into the Red Alliance hub. Each one of the fuel elements scored in the hub are worth 1 point, and that can only be scored when the hopper is lit up, as you see the Red Alliance right now scoring a bunch right there from Team 9480, the Gear Bears, using their gears very well, launching those fuel elements into the basket on top of the hopper. There's 6712 looking for some more fuel elements as 5219 approaches the hump. In the middle of the field, 2974 Walton Robotics flinging those fuel elements off of the field. They're picking up more fuel elements, grabbing them so they can bring them over to their Alliance side and possibly score as 10376 launches from the backside of the board. There's 6829 riding atop the fuel elements as the bot 2974 shooting and scoring. Look at that, boom, 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 boom. Rapid fire succession from the Walton Robotics team right there. All them worth 1 point apiece as they launch a boatload into the hopper, or should I say a basket load or a hopper load into the hopper right now. There's 6712 at the hump heading towards the trench. They're at the trench on the side. They're going underneath the trench into their Alliance zone as 6829 crosses into the Blue Alliance zone from the neutral zone. All right, the Red Alliance hopper is lit up. Each one of those fuel elements scored from 2974 worth 1 point apiece as it's 101-21 in favor of the Red Alliance with 11 seconds left to go. They can also score points not only in the hopper, but in the tower located in the middle of the field up against the wall. The higher they get, the more points they can score as that comes to an end. Look at all of those points that were scored. At the end of the match, we're showing 118-27. They're charging up their hopper, trying to get it supercharged to gain an extra ranking point. Those ranking points, they're worth a lot when it comes to the standings. Match number 5 of 62 qualifiers now completed. As we await the final score, we'll tell you as soon as that prehistoric race car takes off, leaving the skid mark behind either in red or blue. You ready? All right, here we go. There goes a prehistoric race car from Haas. The Red Alliance victorious with a score 129-27, 129 being the high score for the event. They were able to energize their hopper and gain that additional ranking points, as well as getting those 3 ranking points for the victory.